Hello, fellow creatives. Are you ready to convert your text into the whole new dimension and blow up your audience? Then you are in luck, because I have got an amazing AI tool to show you that can turn your text into a breathtaking 3D world for free. Think about it. What if your words could come to life in a whole new dimension? With this tool, you can create stunning landscapes, eye-catching environments, and even fantastical realms that your viewers will never forget. So, if you are ready to unleash your creativity and elevate your text to the next level, join me as I guide you through the steps of using this amazing AI tool to create your very own 3D world. Trust me, your audience will thank you for it. Let's dive into blockadlabs.com. You can find the link of this tool in the description. This is the tool. It's incredibly easy and easy to use. You don't need any special skills or expensive software, just your imagination and a few lines of text. With just a few clicks, you can transform your words into a mesmerizing world that will captivate your audience and keep them coming back for more. Let's generate the 3D world. For this, all you need is a good prompt. You can enter my prompt that I am using. I will provide these prompts in the description as well. Just copy the prompt and paste it here. You can enhance your prompt by using the styles: realistic, modern computer animation, science fiction, dreamlike, and much more, according to your imagination. Let's check some prompts and style. Artificial intelligence has made a huge revolution in the field of technology in the past few years. We never knew that just few clicks can lead us to the whole new world of imagination. On this channel, I have revealed some awesome tools to convert your imagination into virtual reality in the terms of image, video, 3D world. You can find many videos on the channel by clicking on the I button on the top of the video. Please subscribe to the channel. It makes me feel good. Like this video and share your thoughts about artificial intelligence in the comment box. I have made a course of prompt engineering. You can find the full course by clicking on the I button on the top of the video. Once you have your desired imagination of 3D world, just click on download button. After downloading, the next step is to give life to your 360 photo. For that, you need to search on Google 360 photo to video converter. Click on the first link. Upload your photo. You can adjust the parameters according to your needs. After adjusting the parameters, click Convert. Wait few seconds. It has converted the 360 photo into video. Just download and share it with the world. Congratulations! You have just learned how to convert your text into a 3D world for free using amazing AI technology. Now you can let your creative fly and create stunning 3D graphics with just few simple clicks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.